Like, guys, I don't know how much I'm gonna be cry, like how many times I'm gonna cry to you or shout out to you that if say you don't pay attention to Bitcoin, you're gonna lose a lot in this market, like a lot in this market. And we are gonna look at Bitcoin through one of my newest indicators. This one. This is a new indicator that I created. I use ChatGPT to build this indicator. It's that simple. You can build indicators, whatever you want to do. And this indicator is my strategy, like exactly the way I trade. I've embedded it into this indicator. So this indicator actually gives me the moment I'm going to enter any trade and the moment I'm going to exit that trade. Like you can see here, I have this buy signal here. I would have gotten into this trade here and I would have still been in this trade still because I haven't yet seen any sell signal yet for the indicator. Even though the market was still in a downtrend, but I would have still been in the trade, and maybe at one point I would have seen a sell signal. But this indicator, I'm still working on it. But one thing I want us to look at here is simple. The strategy here is buy when you see price above all of this moving averages that you see here, like the 5 day, the 13-day EMA, and also the 50-day EMA. And I use the daily open to give me momentum in the market. So I want price to always be above the daily open to give me some momentum in the market as to what might happen. So this is basically on the daily time frame. That's why we don't have so much buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. But I'm gonna go back to one of the chart that we use here, so we can dive into the target of today's analysis and see where Bitcoin might be heading towards, and also where some altcoins might be heading towards. So let's begin with Bitcoin as usual. Bitcoin hit almost like it hits. I think it hit $105,000, almost $106,000. But you can see here we are above the VWAP, like price is above all of this VWAP. The VWAP is these three lines here you see, and provided we are above the VWAP on the daily time frame, we are bullish on Bitcoin. So as we should expect all coins to pump like crazy, like crazy. So Bitcoin is bullish, no doubt. Now looking at this trade here, Ethereum also is bullish, but now the caveat here is how far can Ethereum go? Because we have seen Ethereum break structure. It doesn't yet reclaim structure. We haven't seen Ethereum yet reclaim structure. You can see this structure was broken, but price hasn't yet come yet. So there's high chances that at one point in time on this time frame, price is going to make its way back down here. So for us to determine exactly the key areas where price might head to, yeah, is simple. Let's just bring in the FIP tool, and we're going to look at the 50% on the FIP tool. So bringing the FIP tool, let's block it from here. Let's assume that this is the high, like the high.